morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's your boy DC, back with another unboxing video for you. Go ahead and get into it. Waste no time. From my favorite folks over there, Ringside Collectible. They've been shipping stuff a little bit faster, even with the free shipping for whatever reason. Normally you get the free shipping, I don't know, it'd be 10, 12 days before you get it. I don't think any more than that, possibly. But they've been doing priority through the USPS, and I appreciate it. That means things have been getting here a lot quicker. I've just been so busy, haven't been able to get to it. Let's go ahead and open this up. And I know what it is. Sometimes I'm a little impatient. I'm like, what did come? So I have an idea for the most part. Just did another unboxing video, so that kind of narrows things down for me, which is cool. Really excited. Think we are done with that? Yes, we are. All right. Let's go. Okay. You see, I got on my volume 2. All Elite Edition, Square Circle by Migs and Kate. You've already seen one. This is the same shirt, just a different color. I really like the work they did, putting me together real nice. Great collaboration. Like I said, give them a check. See what they do for you. Migs and Kate at Instagram. Another plug for them. It's all good. Let's go ahead and get into this. Ready, Freddy. Let's see. So it's a box inside of a box. Inside of a box. All right, let's go ahead and open this up real quick. It's the black Ringside Collectibles 30-pack display stands for the Unrivaled, and I assume the Unmatched figures for AEW. Open up this real quick. I guess I did need this again, just to see what they look like. Dude, oh man, the tape job on here. What did they do to me? Anyway, I'll take up too much of your time. Okay, I'm gonna need that thing one more time too. Oh, these look cool. So this is how they look up close. It says Ringside Collectibles, WrestlingFigures.com. But those are for your AEW figures, little stands. I'm sure you could use it for the other folks as well. But no, it was made for AEW. Use it for AEW. Just kidding. Do as you like. It's your preference, your money. Spend it how you choose. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm just gonna show you this. You can see what it is. See it? See it? All right. I know, fast like the flash. Here we go. Let's get into this. Why do I got it way over there? I'm trying to cut this open. All right, ready for it. So that's why the box was sent like that big box. And now we got this going on real quick. Get that out of there. All right. There we go. Now to pack it. They know how to pack it. See? Man. Saves space, saves money. I don't know about time, because the person that puts that puzzle together, well, I'm sure they got it down to a science. Let's go ahead and get in here. Excited to see. It's going to be Rush Roulette. I don't know who's coming out first. Ooh wee! Oh yeah. It's that cowboy shit. This is the Unmatched Collection Series 4. We're going to start off with Hangman, Adam Page. Woo! Got to meet him at Double or Nothing Fan Fest. He's pretty cool. Let's get that title back, my dude. Let's get that title back. They didn't do enough with you. So we're going to get back to it. But there it is. Hangman Adam Page, Series 4 Unmatched. Ooh. That's nice. I like that. Here we go. Ooh, who is this? It's your boy. First figure. CM Punk. And what do you know? He's my favorite number. Wouldn't say he's my favorite wrestler. I do like him. But he's number 25 in Series 4 of the Unmatched. But there it is. CM Punk. And that's the front. Looks pretty good. Can't wait to open him up. See how it is. Looks nice. And Hangman is number 26 in Series 4. Let's see. All right. We got MJF. Got us another MJF figure, but now he has his, I guess, most current ring attire. Pretty nice figure. And he is number 29 in the Unmatched. There he is with the scarf and the white wrestling gear that he rocks. Pretty cool. Nice figure. Gave him a little facial hair on this one. Can't remember if the other ones had that, but yeah, this one looks good. They did a really good job with it. Making these things better and better and better every time they put out a new one. Let's see. We're going to go ahead and pull out. Bittersweet. It's your boy, Cody Rhodes, former EVP of All Elite. He looks good. Sad to see him go, but that's all right. Hey, to each his own. He's number 27 in this Series 4, and there he is, all suited and booted. He came out on the mic. That looks good, though. Cody Rhodes, Unmatched. I like it. And I guess this is from the Double or Nothing press conference, 2/7/2019. So before the 2019 show. Is that the first one? Sounds like it. Let's go ahead and get this next one out for you real quick. Ooh. Corazon de Leon. Chris Jericho. Yeah, a little Spanish, you know what I'm saying? I got it. I got it. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Excuse me. It's the Luminaries collection, as they call it. Every now and then they put out some of these. I guess the Luminaries would be like Jericho, Sting, you know, some of the vets, the icons, the legends, living legends, current wrestling living legends. But this figure looks nice. Ooh, I can't wait to open this up for you guys. He is number 24. That get up. Ooh, look at that man right there. That's a good figure. I like that. That's fire. That's fire. I'll see you. De Leon. Let's see. I'll just put these here like this for a second. Not sure how much is on the screen. And last but not least, for this Series 4 Unmatched, it's your girl, Miss Jade Cargill. You know what she gotta say. Tony, cut the shit. There it is. They need to come out with this shirt though, man. Maybe not Tony cut the shit, but cut the shit or something. Y'all missing out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. But that's it. Jade Cargill. Ooh, that figure is nice. I don't know if she debuted on AEW Rampage 8/20/2021, but that's what's on the back. Or that at least that's what this one is from. Man, the detail on this is nice. Man, AEW Jazwares, Jazwares by AEW, Jazwares, whatever you want to go by. They are knocking it out the park with these AEW figures. Ooh, that's fire. Miss Cargill. Cut the shit. Tell them. Tell them. Don't take it. Anyways, we'll go ahead and get out of here. We'll open these up for you some other time. Got to get ready to go. To everybody, let's see. I don't know if they lined up right. I'm going to try to line up. I forgot how I did it. It's all good. It's all good. There you go. AEW Jazzware figures, Series 4 of the, what's that? The Unmatched. Anyways, I'm out of here. Y'all have a good day. Thanks.